part 2 of hide and seek challenge. So I'm gonna be counting. So
No, so I will count again.
okay, he said he's gonna count again. So yeah, on the side.
I'm counting on my ear, guys. Counting on my ear.
Does Nico is taking so long? I've been hiding for 3
I'm about 20 now, guys. I'm about 20.
Confirm.
Who was that? Guys, I'm not gonna do this. I'm gonna you.
Found me. My turn to count. He said he's gonna count the whole time.
Maybe I said.
You said you're gonna count the whole time.
I said maybe.
You said you're gonna count the whole time.
I just said maybe.
You said you're gonna count the whole time. So
Did you
now,
pass yours?
what do you think my eye color is? Wait. Oh.
I'm counting.
Oh.
I'm gonna count like 5 more times.